All right, so when we talk about slope, we know there are 4 different types of slope that a linear function can have. So slope measures the steepness of your linear function on its graph. So we know that we can have a positive slope, and that's where your line is going to go up if you're going from left to right. You have a negative slope, like this one, where it goes down if you're going left to right. You have 2 special cases, which are zero and undefined slopes. So zero is where there's literally no slope. It's a flat surface, left to right. And undefined is where it goes straight up and down in a vertical line. So what I want to do is talk about the equations of these lines. So if you have y equals a number, let's pick 3, just because I feel like it. You will notice that if we had y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, something is missing in this y equals 3. 3 is a constant, which means it would represent the b, the y-intercept, and there's no x in this equation, which tells me that the x is missing, which means there is no slope. So if you're looking at the equation of a line that says y equals 3, you're looking at something that has no slope, otherwise known as a slope of 0. And the line is going to be a horizontal line that just goes flat straight across. Horizontal. Okay, I'm just pointing out that there's 2 O's in there, which kind of look like zeros, so you have your horizontal line. Now this, I can go to y equals, and I can put that in the calculator, y equals 3, and I can go to my graph and see that the line is horizontal right across the y value of 3. So that's your one special case. The other special case is where you're looking at the equation of a line that says x equals a number. So if I choose x equals 3, I get really confused because it's not in slope-intercept form where I have y equals. Instead, it just says x equals. That means it has an undefined slope. That's where your line goes straight up and down. So it's an undefined slope. The way that I remember this is because a positive slope is going to have a number, a negative slope is going to have a number, and a no slope is also going to have a number of 0. Undefined slope is just not there at all. And if I want to go and put this into y equals, I can't. I can't do it because this says y equals and my equation says x equals. So that's how I know that it's an undefined slope. X equals 3 is the equation of a line that runs straight up and down, and it goes through 3 on the x-axis. So if we were to graph this 1, 2, 3, this would be the line. Straight up and down on the x-axis. Okay? So if we have y equals a number, we have no slope. If we have x equals a number, we have undefined slope. And those are the things that you need to remember and know by heart in order to be successful with linear functions. And that's all I have for you today. Lucky you. See you tomorrow. Bye.